Oklahoma City, Southwestern Stationary, 700 square insurance restoration job. We started it tonight. Started to tear off. There's a cutter going there. Let's see it. Safety railings up. We're going to tear off about 150 square tonight and foam it back with Dr. Restoration foam tomorrow. Then put a coating of Dr. Restoration polyurea over the top of the foam tomorrow. And then every night till we get the 700 square done, we'll be tearing off and foaming the next day in the morning time. Maybe foam late in the evening also. This is also, as you can see, it's got a use the DR Restoration dry-in procedure. You can see it up here at night even, where we have dried it in. And they had several inches of rain. I think one of them was 5 inches one day and no leaks, so that's good. The drying procedure works. It's about 11:15. They're probably a little over a quarter of the way, a third. Here they'll get it torn off and picked up, then we'll get it swept, blown dry, or blown all the dust off of it. Tomorrow morning we'll finish blowing it, cleaning it. We'll prime it, then we'll put the foam and the polyurea on. He'll cut down one way, he'll pull his cutter back, get his 2 foot over or so, and then he'll go again. Next film will be tomorrow morning when we start foaming.